Yo, what's up, guys? It's Furious Fuck Gaming here, and today I'm gonna show you how to draw a head. Okay, so the first thing you do, a lot of people online are gonna tell you like look at references and stuff. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's not what you need to do. Okay, because look at it, they're gonna tell you like do this and then do this and do that, and see this is like really hard because it's like and then and then this doesn't look right. Okay, this is bad. All right, you may have a good story here, but it gets really hard to just even out the kinks. And look at that. You got a nice, awful looking head. Okay, so here's what you do. You got to really play. You got to play with the human error rather than against it. A lot of people are gonna look at human error and they're gonna fucking scoff at it as if it wasn't built into their brain. Okay, you know it takes time to get good at things, but it's also really important to admire that sometimes you really just don't need to be doing it the hard way, even if that way will get you better at something. Okay, so here's the method I want you to be using. You're gonna take your little brush. You're gonna go like something like this, something that's like real sharp, but it would still be, look at it and call out a jawline. You know, it might take you a few tries. Obviously, I'm fucking no Mozart. Sorry, not Mozart. Like Da Vinci. No Da Vinci. Give me a damn, bro. Damn. I want something that looks decent. I don't know. I feel like that first one's fucking one now. So let me just like, that's decent enough. Actually, look at that. And so, and now when you get to this point, you're like, oh, but how am I gonna, how am I gonna do this? How am I gonna get the overhead? And you could like, I don't know, try like fucking doing something like this and shaving off, and that's what I used to do. And then it's like, well, from artist perspective, all right, from a perspective of someone that's not the artist, you realistically don't see what you don't see. So who the fuck cares about what's happening with what you don't see? All right, it's all an illusion anyways. It's like 3D rendering, all right? In the background of that 3D render, there might be Thanos doing the fucking Gangnam style, but you'll never see it because the blender camera isn't looking at it. It's just not there. It's not important. So here's what we're gonna do. Say we just want some basic female hair. So we're just gonna go, instead of doing like over the top, we're gonna go like this. We're gonna grab it and whoa, and then whoa, something like that. We're gonna curve inwards, play with it instead of against it. So like, and meet with it. Okay, get this little thing going. No, hold on. Let me curve more like this, and curve more like that, and then from here we go like, voila. You know what I mean? Because you think about it. If you really fucking think about it, you're not seeing that other part of the face. So what the fuck does it matter in the first place? You could do this with like any other style of hair too if you really put some time to think about it. It realistically doesn't matter. It really fucking doesn't. Like you can like, and then let me, take this, fucking fill it in with, I don't know, like that. Okay, well, that's not what I meant to do. There's like a little crack somewhere. Yeah, I think it's like right here. Hold on, let me just like fucking, I don't know, not with brown. Um, fucking like that. And then you just take this, fill it. Look, like, it's obviously very crude and it's very basic, but that's just kind of the method, all right? You just kind of like don't fully scalp out a fucking head if they're not gonna see it in the first place. You want to sculpt it to look around the general look of the image, at least to start with, because anatomy is pretty fucking, you know. Just imagine there's a top of the dome. Just imagine, okay? See you later.